Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view safe password on Google account. So let's start it. So first of all, simply open up Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Now here you can see your profile in the top right corner. Simply tap on it. And here you can see manage your Google account. Simply click on it. Now when you are here, you can see these options in the left side. So you have to tap on this security. In security, you have to scroll down all the way until you see signing in to other sites, and you can see this password manager. Just tap on this password manager. So in this option, scroll down and you can see some sites and apps here. So to view your safe password, you have to tap on any app you want, and now here you can see to continue first verify it's you. So type here your password, click on next, and here you can see your mail, your Google Mail and your password. If you tap on this eye icon, you can simply see your password here. And now you can view your password. So now go back and simply open up any other app or website with the same process. You can simply view your safe passwords. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.